Hi, my name is Shubham Mane. Basically, I am from Pune. I have completed my graduation in 24 from the Sinhgad Institute of Technology. After my graduation, I am looking for a job. Then I got to know about the Evision Technoserve. Then I decided to join the Evision Technoserve for the better opportunities. I have joined Evision Technoserve as an intern. There, I have learned many things about how the desktop support works in the company, technical support and many other aspects of the support team. There I have trained on CCNA, virtualization, window administration, cyber security, etc. Then I have got selected in a Bajaj with the package for the package 2.4 LPA per annum. Evision Technoserve team helped me throughout out my job search. The team is very excellent and very talented to train the intern. So I I am very thankful to Evision Technoserve team, and both they are very